That's right, Nina Drama. This is the Nina Drama Talking Showerhead. The Nina Drama Talking Showerhead. You know, it's the only showerhead in the business that talks here, gives you wisdom, gives you advice and everything like that. While the Talking Showerhead's performing, you know, the showerhead, you know, duty, you know what I'm saying? That's right. My showerhead. Listen to me right now, okay? Listen to me now, Sofia Whittaker, with your man with the big penis and everything like that. My showerhead is the best in the business, Sofia Whittaker. You hear what I'm saying right now, Sofia Whittaker? I'm Nina Drama, and my showerhead is the best in the business. That's right. Anybody out there who ever knows Sofia Whittaker, you better tell her that Nina Drama showerhead is the best in the business. And when Robert Whittaker gets in that shower and turns on that Nina Drama showerhead with his big, magnificent, huge penis, I'm gonna give you some wisdom, some advice, what it is to do. Well, let me have my showerhead, because I'm telling you right now, my showerhead is the best of the business. That's right, that's what I'm telling you right now. That's right, this is Nina Drama Showerhead. And when I get a chance, I'm going to be telling Robert Whittaker, I mean, his best game plan when he gets into a fight, he should just let his penis fall out of his shorts. And then that way it'll distract his opponent. And then, you know, and then just clobber him over the head with your penis. That's the best Nina Drama showerhead advice that you get. Yeah. That's right. It seems like we seem to have lost a little bit of our talking power. But you know what I'm saying? How does this work? I mean, you know. So anyways, forget all the questions in the chat and everything like that. My name is Nina Unibrow Drama, and my showerhead is the best in the business. And you need to look out there. You hear me, Sofia Whittaker? My showerhead is the best in the business. You hear me right now, Sofia Whittaker? I'm going to be sending my showerhead to Robert Whittaker for Christmas. I'm telling you right now, Sofia, when he gets a hold of my showerhead, there ain't no turning back. Because my showerhead is the best in the business, Sofia Whittaker. Robert Whittaker's going to be in that shower with his big old penis hanging down. And my showerhead's going to be right there, Sofia Whittaker. That's right. The Nina Drama showerhead's going to be right there with that Robert Whittaker huge penis. And we all know it because the MMA Guru's going around telling everybody that Robert Whittaker, his favorite fighter, has a huge penis. And if you don't believe me, go back and look on Sound Effects. Live stream video 28 shorts went out. Kind of like Robert Whittaker, his penis should fall out of his shorts. You know what I'm saying? Alright, look, so I'm going to wrap this up. But whoever out there, whoever knows Sofia Whittaker, tell Nina Drama and her showerhead's coming to get her man, Robert Whittaker. That's right. That's right. Nina Drama showerhead. You can order it online. It's called Nina Drama Talking Showerhead. It's the best in the business. Ain't no showerhead better than the Nina Drama Talking Showerhead. You can get it. You can get it for somebody for like a wedding gift, a birthday gift, and give it to your loved one. You know, on Valentine's Day. You can also give it to Robert Whittaker, the guy with the huge penis. I mean, 'cause I'm sure he would love a good showerhead from Nina Drama. You know what I'm saying? So wherever you go online, Nina Drama's Talking Showerhead, and it's the best in the business. That's right, you heard it. I'm getting off right now. Just remember that MMA Guru is going around telling everybody that his favorite fighter, Robert Whittaker, has a huge, huge schlong. And I'm Nina Drama, and my Talking Showerhead is the best in the business. That's right.